Hi everyone, Brian from GardenMinutes.com here. We had a question over the weekend about raised garden bed soil and how do you check to make sure that your soil has enough moisture in it to support the growth and development of your plants. So if you're familiar with raised garden beds, you'll know that they are designed to basically give you an environment that you can put your own soil into and increase the nutrient value, and also gives you the ability to bend over less because they're raised off the ground. So with the open design, or the open bottom design of a raised garden bed, water is also able to drain out of soil much more easily. That way the plants don't grow in a swampy environment and cause or have a higher chance of root rot. But because water does drain out of a raised garden bed much more easily, that means your soil will also dry out more quickly. So making sure that you have a good watering system and a good watering schedule is pretty important. Now, the easiest way to double check to make sure your water in your soil is at the right level, or at least has enough moisture in it to try to support plants, what we do is called the finger test. It's a simple thing you do at home. You basically just dig your index finger into your soil to see if you can feel any moisture on the inside of your soil. Now, this looks like our soil has a little bit, but it might be getting a little dry. So what we'll go ahead and do then is turn on our garden grid watering systems to support more soil moisture. Turn them on and start getting our plants a little extra water in their soil. That way, if they are thirsty, they'll be able to have the drink that they need. And of course, if there is too much water, the design of a raised garden bed will drain out the excess from the bottom.